How to watch Cartoon Network on TV. If you grew up with the Saturday morning cartoons, it can be tempting to tune back into that childhood nostalgia from time to time. Classic shows like the Powerpuff Girls, Johnny Bravo, and Adventure Time are still some of the most popular among Cartoon Network's content alongside its newer animated hits. If you want to feel like a kid again, there's no better cable channel. But just because we want to feel like a kid sometimes doesn't mean we have to make rookie mistakes when it comes to entertainment subscriptions. After all, you don't need to pay for an expensive cable package to get all the live TV channels you want. With a skinny bundle streaming subscription, you can customize your TV plan and pay for only the shows and channels you actually watch. And this guide will give you a rundown of all the streaming services that allow you to watch Cartoon Network without cable subscription. So there are three favorite ways to stream Cartoon Network. First is through DirecTV, which costs around $69.99 to $159.99. This offers 140 plus channels and it also offers a 5 days free trial. Another would be Sling TV. This costs around $40 to $60 with 30 plus to 130 plus channels, which offers 3 days free trial. And lastly, Hulu Live TV, which costs around $70 and offers 85 plus channels. And that is how you can watch Cartoon Network on TV.